Hello, I'm Latanja Muhammad, founder of College Cost Cutter. Welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We are on day 27, so if you are just joining us in this series, check out the description below where you will find links to every topic covered between days 1 and 26. Today, we're going to talk about selecting the correct form. So sometimes when parents log in to studentaid.gov or students, when they log in and scroll down, they'll see this page. And you need to select Apply for Aid using the FAFSA form. Select the link as shown that's highlighted, and then it will take you to this page. Now, the page will show you that the 2025-2026 FAFSA form is now available. So it's actually opened before its originally planned date of December 1st. You can start going in and completing it. But some families get a little confused and they might pick the form that's the 2024-2025 form. You need to pick the form for the upcoming school year 2025-2026. Remember, the year that you are actually completing the FAFSA is not the same year as the award year for which the FAFSA will be used. So right now, students are in the 2024-2025 school year, so they need to complete the 2025-2026 FAFSA because that is the award year for which it is applicable. We had families make that mistake last year and they couldn't understand why they had delays and why the college was still asking them different questions. And so that's why. So please make sure you click the right form to begin applying. Again, we don't want to leave any money on the table, and sometimes delays can cost money. So thank you so much for joining us for today's tip. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, invite others to this series as we've only got 3 more days to wrap up. Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.